Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about screening of muscle relaxant property by using the rotor rod apparatus. Now, the principle of this method, it is this rotor rod apparatus or muscle relaxant property is shown by certain category or certain class of drugs like benzodiazepine class of drugs, for example diazepam. They show this muscle relaxant property. Muscle relaxation can be observed by loss of muscle grip and is an indication for muscle relaxation. These effects can be easily studied in animals for rat and mice by using the rotor rod apparatus or the inclined plane test. Now, two groups you can use. First is the control group, second is the treated group with your standard drug, for example, diazepam or any other unknown drug. And whatever the differences observed between the follow-up time, you use that as an index of muscle relaxation property. In case of this rotor rod apparatus, the ideal speed of this rotating rod is given as 20 rpm per minute. And if you keep the normal mouse, then usually it falls off within 3 to 5 minutes from this rotating rod, and you have to measure that time. The requirements for this test is the drug solution. Usually in practical purpose, we use a standard drug, that is diazepam, 4 milligram per kilogram, and IP root. Then you require oral feeding needle. If you are testing some another drug which having unknown drug, for example, unknown drug or herbal drug, you need to administer the drug by oral route. So you have to keep the oral feeding needle. You require mice 20 to 25 gram. If you are using rat, then you can take the rat, and the instrument, that is rotor rod apparatus. Now we'll discuss how this rotor rod apparatus will work. Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the screening of muscle relaxant activity using rotor rod apparatus. So this is a rotor rod apparatus. Using this apparatus, one can screen the drugs which having a muscle relaxant activity. I will tell you how to carry out the experiment using this instrument. So first you switch on. If you find this instrument, it containing, switch on. Okay, this instrument containing this display. Second, here is a reset button, here is a start button. You can reset this reading as a 0 on all the things. Here there is a speed meter. By rotating this, you can maintain the speed of rotor rod. Usually or ideally 20 to 25 rotation per minute is maintained for this activity. Now we will check the activity. You can keep the animal here. The muscle grip of the animal enable them to fall down, and you have to record the time which is required to fall down the animal. Once the animal, you keep the animal, you can start the instrument. This rod will rotate with 20 rpm speed. When the animal get the grip of the animal is lost, it will fall down and the reading is recorded here. So we will take one example. I will keep the mice for this experiment. A normal animal can fall down at 3 to 5 minutes it will take. Now I have now you can note down the readings of each animal, and if you want to carry out the second group, you can again reset 0 and then you put the animal. So you can take the reading of normal animal first, then you inject your drug and then again you take the reading. The difference in fall in time will give you the idea about the muscle relaxant property of a drug.
Hope you can understand how to carry out the experiment using Rotarod apparatus. Now you can prepare such types of table. Here serial number, weight of the animals, then treatment. Suppose it is a standard drug, and if you are using any unknown drug, you can write down the unknown drug. Then dose in milligram, whatever the dose is there, or you can use the different doses, lower doses of diazepam also. Then follow-up time before drug administration and after drug administration, and the difference between these two will give you the percent decrease in the time. Now repeat the experiment with the lower dose of diazepam, or if you have any unknown drug, you can use the unknown drug, and by this way you can calculate the percent decrease in the time, which gives you the index of muscle relaxation. So, thanks for your patience listening of this experiment. Thank you.